Now the pigeons are on the lower floors now, so some of the covers on the gaps have made a difference. Shall see the top floor and see the number of pigeons. 1, 2, 3. Four, instead of a flock, is a few. So progress has been made. The pigeon is really trying to get out the regular way. It's made enough of it. Yeah, they can't get much. Then I can recover. Right now the pigeons are being stupid and not cognizing the entrance, the lower entrance, so I must open the window here so at least they can get out while I am here, because they are being stupid. Turns out it's more pigeon defense. Yup. Much of a pigeon defense. Yeah, they're not learning. They're not learning. So some of them might. As one learns, I think the rest learn. Till one learns is a proper issue. There's I mustn't laugh yet. Is a Japanese yakina. Now, if you can see, right at the end, there's some of the chicks here. And one more here as well. The issue is, it's covered from the covering here, so I'm gonna have to get a knife and cut through so they have no nest, so I can get rid of some of the pigeons in the walls. Now, while sweeping some up, here's some sound design advice, or sound design. Right here, listen to the broom, listen to the brush. Is now a sound and part of my game while clearing out the building. Alright, as you can see from the through the smoke, the camera lens is good during the day. I've cleared about half of the floor beneath, so have some progress. Sweeping is more effort than you think, man. Real talk, just like 500 men, just sweep, 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 sweep. Like I have calluses on my calluses. Now I've cleared like 97% of all of the floor. Here is, if you see, is the floor beneath on the part I'm gonna cut on the top floor. Said floor is the same, I must cut the same section off, plus a square here and a square here. Might be able to leave said square or keep said square here. So gonna all of the mess on said part, because I cut said part, man, might as well as just because as I cut it's going to make mess on the floor beneath, so might as well. Now as of floor progress, I have made near enough spotless. Is some on the corner, and then gonna clear the corner and go get some food and have a drink, because I have been sweeping of ages, so I must make certain I drink water. Yet so far so good. My opinion is looking sick. Well, in comparison. Got the corner here cleared. Damn man, was more difficult than I was thinking. Yeah, now is one floor ready to mop. I'm not gonna mop till I've cleared all of the floors, because as I sweep the floors, this dust gets, man, the dust is unreal. The dust is unreal. At parts can't even see. Real talk. So I get rid of as much as I can sweep wise, and then I mop from top at the ground floor, at the lowest level floor. Yet now I am hungry and thirsty, so I'm gonna get food. As part of my project, I must study plumbing, so I am studying water pressure and ways I'm able of making water go high. As well, I once said build proper functional plus professional, and I said I study plumbing about 30 min per day at least, plus electrics 30 min per day. So in theory, month or two, because I am me and I have much of a semblance on the project after a month or two. I say semblance as total all of the plan made. Well, you shall see as more episodes get made and you watch more episodes. Yeah, it's part of a major project and part of the difficulties of a major project if less people have a obstacle on the top floor now. Seems silly, yet the pigeons flying into said covering on repeat has made the covering on the roof go loose. It's repairable and I can use more, I can be more thorough, so even if the pigeons fly at the covering from not blind, it is more of made the same aerial route of a while, my opinion is the pigeons fly on auto. So now I must repair the following day said roof. Yet 2 floors are functional. 2 floors are functional, and well, the following day is 3 floors functional. While I go through said process, I'm now studying some electrics as well, And the goal is I make myself as a plumber plus electrician. Prior all of the light disappearing, here is the floor 3. Floor 4 is the top floor. I shall give y'all a view of floor 2 so you can see the difference from now and the following day. Well, I upload the day after yet. So I have part here. On occasion, I give you a view. Said pigeon of outside entrance here. I walk up at the nest real close and I go of my head, and then the pigeon flies off. I resume. So, yes, is 100% true. The pigeon understands. Is much I must get rid of on said floor. Yet, low battery. Rip. About as much as I can. If I face the light, you can see some more. Much is swept from the floor above. There's even less light on the right part of said floor, so I'll have to give you a view of the right part of said floor the following day. The right part, if I must give a number, say the left part is severe of like number 2 as far as mess and sweeping goes. Said right part here is like more close at 10. So it's gonna, well, the following day is much of a busy day, yet I shall 100% get floor 2 swept and ready of the preparation of floor 1. Now I resume my electric studies, and I must draw as well as, well, I want my games, so I must. I shall give you a view of the drawing, the art I make at the end of said episode. Here is some of Defendim's Keep, just as part of the start of the making of Defendim's Keep. Now you can see on at the top of each column is hollow, well, part hollow, and has a floor as part of the defense of Defendim's Keep. Right, it is now real dark in here. I have a mobile as light. I've made it was almost a baby bat. I've made my plumbing studying, electric studying, cleared the floor, new gaps in the roof. It's the chicks, man. Some of the chicks have learned how to fly. Cool, man. Cool. It's difficult of seeing. Yeah, well, I saw. made some drawing practice as well. So it's the end of episode 7, the end of episode 7, and I shall see y'all on the following episode. Thanks. Peace.